Remember the words or the ideas that you have trouble with, because then you have a question. You tried to say this word and you didn't have that word, so you needed to say it a different way. So don't forget that idea. When you have time, you look for that word. You try to find out more, so that the next time, maybe you can remember it, okay? Again, the key is that if you have a question, when you find that answer, it can stay with you, right? Now, there is one more thing about words there. If you are looking for a word, and you want to remember the word, then remember, the more you dig, the better it will stay with you. So, if you want to learn words, there's a very important idea. Let's say you have 30 minutes to study some words, to learn words. Let's say every day you want to take 30 minutes to practice English, to learn more words, okay? You can do this different ways. One, you find yourself 30 words. Each word, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, so 30 words, and for each word, you spend only 1 minute to try to remember it. The problem is, whenever there's a list, you will always forget the stuff in the middle. You can remember the first ones and the last ones, but that's just how your brain works. Your brain doesn't like lists. When you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30, 40, 100, your brain doesn't like those. And it's hard to remember them because your brain doesn't work that way. Okay? So instead of doing a long list of words, the better idea is spend more time. If you take 3 words every day, and each word you spend 10 minutes. That sounds like a lot, right? 10 minutes for one word. But you won't forget that word. How do you spend so much time on one word? That's easy. You find it and you read. Look up more. There's always questions you can ask. With English words, you can always ask questions like, not just, what does it mean? 它的意思是什么? That's the first question, maybe, but there's other questions, like how does it feel? What's the feeling of the word? Every word has a feeling. It can be good or bad, okay? Like when you think you are, getting fat and you need to lose weight, if somebody says, you're fat, then you feel bad, right? There's the meaning that the word has, but it also has a feeling. If you say something like, you're getting bigger, bigger could mean stronger, right? It could be the same meaning, but you don't feel bad. Like when you say to a girl that she's skinny. You know the word skinny? It's really initial, right? Skinny, though, means this. Like, if a girl is just like her skin, there's the bones and the skin, that's not a good thing. That doesn't sound nice. But if you say that a girl is slender, slender, this is a special word. It sounds very nice, very pretty, okay? Same meaning. 它的意思是一样的. But this one means that she's pretty, she's attractive, okay? It's the same thing with anything we talk about. Whenever we use a word, we need to be careful, not just what it means, but how it feels. So, spend 10 minutes. There's more questions. Where is the word from? In Chinese, all of your words are Chinese, right? Chinese words are all Chinese. And for 5,000 years, Chinese is Chinese, right? 5,000 years. About 4,000, 5,000 years. Chinese has been Chinese. English? 700 years ago, 700 years ago, England was French, right? 700 years ago, English was French. There's a lot of French. For 300 years, 300年, France covered England. France controlled England. So there's a lot of French